Question 9. Which is the correct crystal structure for the substance named? Iodine is molecular, it's I2, just two atoms joined together in a molecule. Simple molecular, that's correct. A is correct. Let's just check the rest. Now, diamond is macromolecular or giant covalent. So sodium chloride, no, that's ionic because Na is in group 1, Cl chloride is in group 7, so Na loses one electron, Na plus, and the chlorine atom, the Cl atom, gains it and becomes Cl minus and forms a giant ionic lattice. And graphite is giant covalent as well in layers, so it's not metallic, it's not a metal. Your answer is A. Which is the best technique to remove silver chloride that forms when aqueous solutions of silver nitrate and sodium chloride react? Silver chloride is a white solid, so you'd remove that from the solution by filtration. C. Which statement about astatine? Astatine is in group 7, but it's right down the bottom of group 7. It's a large molecule with it, large atom rather, with its it does form astatine. It does form does have two astatine atoms joined together, like Cl2, like Br2, like I2, like F2. Greater electronegativity than bromine. The electronegativity is the power to withdraw or attract electrons along a covalent bond towards itself. Now, it's not going to do that as well as bromine because it's larger and therefore the electrons are further away from the nucleus. So A isn't correct. Astatine is a better oxidizing agent. So oxidizing agent means that it oxidizes something else. Something else is oxidized by it. That's what an oxidizing agent does. So itself is reduced. Oxidation is loss, reduction is gain. So it's basically saying that astatine is better at gaining electrons. No, it's a larger atom with its outer electrons further away from the nucleus. So the nuclear attraction is less and it's not going to attract electrons onto its outer shell. Better than bromine. B is wrong. Astatine has a greater boiling point than bromine. It will have because it's got more electrons, so it's got an extra electron shell because it's lower down group 7. More electrons mean that it's going to have more van der Waals forces with adjacent astatine molecules, so C is right. Astatine has a greater first ionization energy than bromine. No, it's got a lower first ionization energy because the electrons are further away from the nucleus, so it has a less of a nuclear attraction. It's also got one extra shell, so more shielding. So your answer is C.